Hi, today we are going to learn how to launch Google Display Campaign. To launch a Google Display Campaign, log on to your Google AdWords, click on Campaigns, add a new campaign. Make sure you are aware what would be the objective of your display campaign. The most common objective or goal which would be perfect or ideal for display campaign would be website traffic or product and brand consideration, along with brand awareness and reach. So today I am just going to select website traffic. In the campaign type, make sure you select the display option. Display campaigns can run for two types of audiences. One would be standard display, which is more like, which consists more of websites and placements wherein you can show your images. Second would be the Gmail campaign, wherein the placement of the ad is only in the Gmail of the customer. I will select the standard display campaign. You can add your website URL here. Click on continue. Make sure you give the appropriate campaign name. It is advisable to always have the goal in the campaign name so that you're aware why this campaign was actually launched. You can select the location, language. Google has recently started providing native language. So, for example, if you are targeting India, you can select Hindi, Telugu, Marathi, Tamil. That's it. So, these are different native languages which you can select. Uh, these languages can be selected on any type of campaign, not just display. So in a display campaign, you can actually focus on various parameters. It could be a high quality traffic wherein you really want a good set of audience to come to your website and have a look at your website. Or if you just want to reach more audiences, then you can select viewable impressions. I'm going to select high quality traffic. For this, I will be paying for the clicks. If you, right now the default bidding strategy is CPC enhanced. You can always select a different type of cost per click bidding strategies. Target CPA, maximize clicks, maximize conversion, and variable CPM. Commonly, the basic one which you always start off would be the manual one and slowly keep changing based on your outcome of the campaign. Make sure you put the budget. Every display campaign can have multiple ad groups, and your ad groups can focus on four types of audiences. One would be the audiences which you would like to search. For example, I am right now looking for shopaholics. So I would target people who are interested in online shopping. You can also browse through various audiences which are available on the display panel. The most common and the effective one would be a remarketing audience. In the later videos, I'll also teach you how to create a remarketing audience. Demographic section is a really used section where you can actually select the right age group, household income which you want to target. Please note this household income is based on the data which Google has. It is not currently really exact, but it has sufficient data which would help you to get your target to the right set of audiences. After audiences, you can also go for three different types like keywords, topics, and placement. I'll be explaining you these in detail as well in my following videos. You can display ad also gives you a targeting expansion where you can target more number of impressions just to make sure you get more reach. This will completely depend on the basic bid of the campaign. This will fluctuate with the bid, and the higher your bid is, better would be the estimated performance. Can you see here? Right now, it is not giving me any kind of traction, is because I have expanded. But the moment I reduce it, I'll be able to see what are the clicks, what is the average CPC and impression, what I can expect. One of the best features of display campaigns nowadays is you can launch new responsive display ads where you really don't need to make creatives. Again, this will be discussed in detail in the next video of the display campaign. You can go at the bottom and just create campaign. Thank you.